Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your girl Jovita Concept channel. Please, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe on the red button, then turn on your notification icon so that you can get any of the newest updates each time I drop it. So guys, what I'll be teaching you guys today is how to design this simple birthday jotter. Okay, so let's start. The first thing we're gonna do here is to arrange the size of the work we'll be working with. So we're gonna go over to this our properties bar. Okay, then come over here, you can see where they write A5, then left click over there. Okay, come down, we'll be working with A4, so you have to left click on the A4. You can see now. Okay, then you now come over here, you can see where they write landscape portrait, then you click on landscape. Okay, then the next thing now is to come over to this unit and change this millimeter to inches. Okay, then left click. Okay, you come down to inches and left click as well. Okay, so the next thing now is to imply this our rectangle here so that we can be able to make use of this our working space. Okay, by going over to this our tools bar. Okay, come down to this our rectangle, left click by double clicking. Okay, now this is it. Then you go to pick tool and drop your tools. So the next thing now, the first step to take is to bring down the rulers here. Okay, because it's very important. So we're gonna apply this our ruler inside this our working space. Okay, then come over here, you can see where this ruler is, you can see where my cursor is facing. Okay, then left click and drag it down, you can see now. Okay, then you leave it, then you come over this side as well and click on this, you can see where my cursor is also pointing, then you drag it by left clicking and carry it and come along here. Okay, you can leave it now, then press P on your desktop to place it to center. Okay, so you click on this ruler now. Okay, then drag it a little bit, then right click. Okay, you see what I did here. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, then right click. Okay, now this is what we want. Okay, it's too spaced out, so let's cluster it a little bit. So we're gonna do the same thing for this edge and this edge. So we're gonna click on this, you can see my cursor now. Okay, then left click and drag it over here. Okay, then right click. Oh, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, then you right click, because if you didn't click right click, it won't hold you, or rather you carry that exact one to the other side. Okay, so we are done with placing our runners in this our working space. Okay, so the next thing now we're gonna do now is that we're gonna start power clicking this our image inside this our working space. Okay, let's power click this. Okay, let's shift this and group it so that you can go it, so that we can place them once. Okay, okay, let's group it by highlighting, you can see now. Okay, then let's right click and click power click. Okay, then you can see now it has already been power clicked inside this our working space. So the next step now is to come over to this our edit. Okay, you can see it now and left click. Okay, now we are inside here together with the image. Okay, so let's keep them aside so that we can be able to place it to the normal position we want them to be. Okay, okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that we're gonna draw our rectangle here. Okay, by going over to this our tools bar. Okay, then come down to this our rectangle, left click, then come over here, you can see where the center ruler is located, then place it there, then drag it down. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so the same thing is applicable here, you place it here and drag it as well. Okay, now this is it. Let's drop the tools. Okay, I think we need to put the outline so that we can see it. After then we now clear it. Okay, let's come over here and put the black outline by right clicking. Okay, you can see the same thing is applicable here. Okay, you right click. Okay, now the outline is now visible. So the next thing now we're gonna do is to start power clicking this our image inside this place now. Okay, so let's go with the one we want to work with first. I think this one we're gonna go with. Okay, so you click on this image now. Okay, then right click, you can see it now, you can see power click, then left click over here, then bring this your cursor the place you want to place it. So this is the place you want to power click this image now. Okay, so you place it here. By you can see now, left clicking, it has already appeared inside this place. Okay, so the next thing now we're gonna do now is that we're gonna edit this our image, our this thing now. Okay, by coming over here now, this is it. Okay, so let's increase it. Okay, now this is it. Okay, let's do finish editing. Let's see. Okay, it's already inside this our working space. Okay, so let's go with this one first before we come to arrange it. Okay, the next thing now we're gonna do now is now we're gonna give this particular one a corner before clicking this our image inside it. Okay, so let's give it, maybe let's give it this color. I think this is okay. Okay, no, this is okay. Okay, so the next thing now is to power click this our image inside here. Okay, you can see power click, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, you come down to power click. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. You power click. Okay, okay, then right click, power click. You can see. Okay, I think this is okay like this now. Okay, let's go with this first like this. Okay, so let's edit this our image that we have power clicked already by going over to this edit. You can see now and left click. Okay, now this is it. So let's sandwich it so that we can be able to know where to place them. Okay, so let's bring this here and reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, then let's bring this over here and reduce it as well. Okay, keep reducing it. Okay, keep reducing it so that they will be in the same alignment. Okay, I think this is okay like this. So let's expand this a little bit. Okay, then shift it inside. I think it's okay like this. Okay, so the next thing now is to come over to this our tools bar. Okay, click on this our rectangle, then come over here, you can see, and draw it. Okay, okay, then go over to this pick tool and drop the tools. Okay, then come down here and remove the inner color. This is pink color, we don't want any color in it at all. So we're gonna come over to this. You can see this line now. This is where you remove both the outline and the inside color. Okay, so the one we want to remove now is the inside corner. We're gonna click by left clicking over here. Okay, now this is it. So this outline now is black and we need to increase it and as well remove the color because we don't want this particular color. Okay, let's give it white out color by going over to this our white. You can see now. Okay, then right click. Now this is it. So the next thing now is to increase the outline. Okay, by coming over here. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's give it this color. I think this is okay. Okay, now the next thing is to let's keep this aside here, then keep this aside here. Okay, okay, so let's click on finish edit. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that we're gonna duplicate this one now. Okay, we're gonna duplicate it, then power click it inside. Okay, so let's go to our edit. This is it. Okay, so let's change it by flipping it. Okay, by coming over here, you can see. Okay, now this is what you want. So let's apply this one now inside this place. Okay, by power clicking. Okay, right click, you can see power click, come over here and power click it inside. So this one now you need to put it inside a circle. Okay, by going over here, you can see now, draw this circle. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's increase the outline by going over here. You can see. No, let's change it to 1. Okay, I think this color is okay. So let's power click it by right clicking. Okay, you can see. power click and put it inside. You can see now. Okay, now this is it. So the next thing we're gonna do now is that we're gonna edit this our image now that we power click here. Okay, by going over to this edit, you can see edit. Okay, so let's arrange it, fix it so that it will be more visible. Okay, okay, let's see how it may look by going to finish. Okay, I think it's okay like this for now. Okay, so let's work on this one. Okay, let's edit it. Okay, you can see edit, so let's reduce it. Okay, hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. Okay, no, I think we need to, let's edit. Okay, and reduce it a little bit so that this thing will be showing. Okay, hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So let's drop the tools. Okay, so the next thing now we're gonna do now is that we're gonna go over to this our tools bar. Okay, then look for this. You can see color dropper, then click on it by left clicking. Okay, then come over here. You can see this our image. We want to change the background of this from pink to this color. Okay, so we place it here that we would like to capture the color. Okay, now this is the color we want. Then left click over there. Okay, then come over to this pink place now. Okay, then left click. Now this is it. Let's change this. Let's use this, then click on this. I think this one is better. Okay, so let's drop the tools. So the next thing we're gonna do now is that we're gonna arrange this first. Okay, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, I think we go with this like this for now. Okay, so let's finish this our edit now. Okay, let's click over here, then come over to this finish edit. Okay, now I think we're gonna leave it like this for now. Okay, so we're gonna power click this image inside this our image, our this in love now. So let's right click. Okay, you can see power click. Okay, click on it. Now this is it. The same thing is applicable here. Right click, power click inside here. Okay, now this is it. The next step now is to edit it by going over here. You can see. So let's fix it so that it can contain inside this place now. Okay, let's bring this here, reduce it. Okay, hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, so let's bring this as well. Okay, let's flip it to see. I think we need to cut some part of this image by going over to this our shape tools, click over here, then you can see highlight it like this. Okay, then move it a little bit. The same thing is applicable here. Okay, you move it a little bit. Okay, let's drop the tools, then you bring it back here. Okay, now this is it. Okay, I think we need to bring out some of this part again by going over to this shape tools. Okay, highlight, then okay, now this is it. Let's see. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, let's bring it over here, shift page up on your desktop. Okay, so let's increase it a little bit. a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So let's edit this by clicking over to edit. You can see. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that we need to draw something here. Okay, let's click on this our rectangle. Okay, then click over here. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's drop the tools and give it this color. Then remove the outline by right clicking over here. Okay, but before then, let's crop out part of this place. Okay, we need to crop out part of this place, or rather let's use Coreldraw tools. Okay, click over here, then come over here and click. This is the color we are looking for. Then place it on this. Okay, let's drop the tools. Okay, let's drop the tools. Okay, and increase this a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so let's shift this a little bit. Okay, now I think it's okay. So the next thing now is to increase this a little bit, then duplicate it and place this color here, pink. Okay, but this I think is too big. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, then let's place this as well here again. Okay, then bring this pink again. Okay, click on the pink. Okay, you can see. Okay, now this is it. Let's see how it may look by finishing. Okay, I think this is what we really want. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Okay, so let's shift this a little bit. Okay, it's okay like this. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that we're gonna apply this one now, this image inside here. Okay, let's use this first from here. Okay, shift page up on your desktop. Okay, the next step now is to start fainting these edges, because we wouldn't like it to be showing. Okay, by going over to this tools bar, coming down to transparent, you can see it, then left click, then come over here and place. Okay, hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I'm trying to faint the edges. Okay, so the next thing now is to bitmap it. Like I said, if you want to bitmap, if you want to faint multiple times, what you have to do is that you need to bitmap it so that you can be able to bitmap as in faint multiple times. Okay, so click on this convert to curve, you can see. Okay, and come down to this, you can see. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, this is it. So you're gonna place it over here again to faint this side as well. Okay, you bring this down like this. Okay, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, let's drop our tools and see. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, let's keep it aside first. Then we need to draw a rectangle here. By coming over to this tools bar, okay, click on this. Okay, come over here and draw this, then drop the tools. And before that, let's keep it aside and remove the outline for this one first. Okay, come over here, you can see, right click, the same thing is applicable here. Right click, the outline has been removed, so let's put outline for this one. Okay, let's give it a red outline. Okay, then remove the align column by coming over here, then left click. This is it. So the next thing is to increase this outline. Okay, by coming over to this hairline. Okay, left click over here, then come down here. I think this is okay. Let's place it here to see. Okay, I think let's see. Then let's power click. Okay, let's bring this here now. Ctrl Z. Okay, let's shift it up a little bit. Okay, then shift page up on your desktop. I think this is better and okay. Let's see first. Okay, let's edit. Okay, and we need to do the same thing at the edges here as well. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, come over here and paste and bring it here. You can as well duplicate. Okay, and bring it here. You can see. Okay, so we need to flip it by going over here. You can see. Okay, you guys can see what I did. Okay, so the next thing is to edit this now. Okay, let's edit it, then come over here. Okay, let's increase this one first. Okay, you can see what I'm doing now. Shift page down on your desktop. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so let's reduce this a little bit. We are trying to show this outside outline in the other image. Let's see, it has not been showing. We need to show it. Okay, it's showing, but it's too big. So let's edit. Let's shift it inside a little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's see first. We need to increase it a little bit. Okay, we need to increase it a little bit. Okay, increase. You can see I'm shifting it up. Let's see. Okay, now I think this is better now. Okay, so the next thing now is that we start applying this our images inside here. Okay, so let's start by, let's cut this out. We would have Ctrl K it, but let's just use cut out. Okay, then highlight. You can see cut out, come over here, place it and paste it. Okay, let's drop the tools and bring this over here. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay, enter. Okay, Ctrl K as well. Okay, this is June 25th. We need to break this apart as well. Enter. Okay, Ctrl K. Okay, now this is it. Okay, let's draw a circle by clicking here. Okay, a little circle like this. I think it's okay like this. Then drop the tools, come over to this color palette, click. Okay, then remove the outline. Okay, put white outline, then remove the inner corner. Okay, then the next thing, I think we need to increase this a little bit, or let's leave it like this first. So the next thing now is that we're gonna convert it to curve by going over to this. You can see properties, but you see where they write this curve, convert to curve, then left click over there, then come over to this tools bar, come down to this our shape. You can see shape tools, then left click over there. You come over here, you can see where this lot, there are 4 knots here. Then you click on this. By right clicking, you come over here, you see where they write break apart, then you left click over there. Okay, you come here, you right click, you break apart. Okay, the same thing is applicable, then click over here and delete. Okay, now this is it. So I need to duplicate this. Okay, let's use control, let's hold the shift button on your desktop, then left click and drag down a little bit, then right click. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so let's rotate it a little bit up. Okay, I think I'm comfortable with this. Okay, let's leave it this way. Then let's bring this our 25 and reduce it a little bit. Okay, we need to give it white outline again. Okay, now this is it. Let's okay, so let's bring this our June down here as well. Okay, and give it white color as well. Okay, so we need to bring this here as well and reduce it and change it to lowercase. Okay, change to case, you can see lowercase. Okay, now this is it, and reduce it, bring it over here, and we need to change the font character as well by going over here. Okay, let's use this. Okay, and put it white outline as well, white corner. Okay, let's bring this down a little bit. Okay, now this is it. So let's group this. Okay, by coming over, you see these properties, but you see group apart, you see group objects, then left click. This is it. Okay, so let's bring this over here. Okay, reduce it a little bit. Okay, now this is it. I think this is okay here now. Okay, so the next one now is that we're gonna bring this, let's break this apart, let's highlight. Okay, let's highlight this happy birthday. Okay, then cut out, left click, you can see, then paste. Okay, now this is it. So you're gonna enter this. Okay, then drop the tools, then Ctrl K on your desktop. Okay, so bring this happy birthday over here and change the color to white, you can see. Okay, so you need to change the font character because that is not the font you may like to work with. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, let's change this to this color. Okay, let's change the house. Okay, let's use this. Okay, let's keep looking for, let's see this. No, I think we need to check for another. I'm looking for a very beautiful cursive font character. It's hanging. Let's see this. I think I go with this first. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's use this for now. Okay, for now, so let's cut out this as well. Let's highlight. Okay, cut out. Okay, you click over here, paste. Okay, then bring it over here, change the color to white. Okay, let's drop the tools, then click over here, white color, then let's cut this one out as well. Okay, cut out, place here, and you can see paste, then drop the tools and bring it here as well. Okay, okay, let's give it white outline. Okay, and change this font character. Let's change the font character. Okay, let's see this. We need to change this. This is not good at all. Let's change it to. Okay, hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, let's see this first. Okay, I think we go with this for now. Let's bring this down a little bit. Okay, so we need to cut out this one as well. Okay, let's click on it and highlight. What's wrong with my mouse? Okay, cut, come over here and paste, right click. Okay, you can see. So let's bring it over here, then let's cut out this first. Okay, right click, cut, come over here, paste, then you can see, paste. Okay, then bring this down here and give it white outline, I mean white color. Okay, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, so let's arrange this one as well. Okay, let's enter. Okay, let's drop the tools. Okay, then we need to fix it to center by going over to this properties bar. You can see where here. Okay, you can see this now. Right click, you left click, then look for the center you're looking for. This is it. Okay, I think you need to reduce this. Okay, okay, let's leave it this way. Let's change the font character. Okay, let's use this. I think it's okay. Okay, live long and prosper, the main one. Okay, now this is okay, so let's bring these ones here now. Okay, let's cut out this, the first one, appreciation. Right click, cut, place it here, then right click and paste. Okay, let's drop the tools. Okay, now this is it. Okay, let's change the font character by going over here. Okay, let's try this. Let's give it purple. Okay, then underline by going over here. You can see, left click is underlined. Okay, let's give it black. Okay, then give this one purple. Let's bring it down here and change the font character by going over here. Okay, let's see. Let's change it. Is not visible. Let's keep looking for a beautiful font. Let's see this. No, let's change it. It's not beautiful. Okay, I think we go with this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So let's edit and put this inside as well. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's bring this up a little bit. Okay, 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 okay. Now this is it. I think we need to bring this. Okay, so let's edit this a little bit. Okay, let's duplicate this. Okay, edit, delete this, delete this. We need that image, so forgot to use it. Okay, let's finish. Okay, and bring this here and reduce. Then let's flip it by going over here. Okay, okay, okay. I think it's okay like this, so let's see. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So guys, we're gonna end here in today's video, and this is how to design simple birthday jotter. Okay, so we're gonna continue next in our next video. And please, if you have been following me up and you like any of my updates, do not hesitate to like, subscribe on the red button, then turn on your notification icon so that you can get any of the new updates each time I drop it. See you guys in our next video, and thank you guys for watching.